to you guys. Okay. So I will share from current slide. Okay. Guys, can you see my screen, Akash? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So guys,
Yes, sir.
we are starting with AWS Solution Architect Associate Journey. You all are here for cloud computing world. So can you tell me what is cloud first, guys? Anyone? Please speak up, guys. What is cloud?
Cloud means nothing but is data storage. Like I think.
So,
Hello.
guys, I take a very easy example of Google Drive. Okay.
Yeah.
Google Drive, right?
Yeah.
Today you all share URLs of Google or not to your friends. Tell me. Suppose one of your friend is sitting in Canada, one of your friend is sitting in India, or somebody sitting in US. Everyone can access your URL or not? Tell me. Tell me, guys. So what is this? This is your cloud. Cloud is nothing but your network storage plus virtual storage, guys. Everyone can access, like any application you speak of, guys. Today it is based on cloud only. You can see anything, anywhere you go in the world. Any application you speak, it's all based on cloud. Now, what are the cloud providers, guys? Suppose we have Amazon. Amazon is a cloud provider. We have Microsoft. Microsoft is a cloud provider. We have Google. Google is a cloud provider. Suppose Amazon is AWS. Microsoft is Azure. And then we have Google as GCP. Clear, guys? Now, coming to the certification journey of Amazon. So we'll be working on AWS Solution Architect Associate course. This will include your cloud practitioner course also, guys. So you can say this is an entry to your cloud or your AWS journey, which is called Amazon Web Services. Amazon is your cloud provider. I'm repeating again, guys. Okay. Now, we have more than 1 million active customer for Amazon. We have bringing new service every day. One new service is coming in AWS. Now, if we see AWS and Azure, AWS commands 44% as compared to Azure, which only commands 7% of market share. Clear or not, guys? Clear? We'll see what is IaaS today. IaaS is called as infrastructure as a service, guys. Now, we'll share later this thing. First, let me share my whiteboard with you guys. Can you see my whiteboard, guys?
Yeah.
Can you see? Tell me, guys.
Yes.
Can you see my whiteboard?
Yeah. I'm able to see your screen.
Okay. Now, guys, coming to the cloud, any platform you pick, AWS, Azure, they are based on 3 pillars. What are the pillars? Compute, storage, network. Clear, guys, or not? Tell me. What are the 3 pillars? Compute, storage, network. Please, guys, mute yourself if you are in a noisy place. Now, anyone knows what is compute, guys? First, tell me what is compute. Compute means nothing but a calculation, guys. Suppose you say 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. These are called computational logical operations which are going in your laptop computer. For this, what you required? CPU and RAM. CPU is nothing but a core processing unit which is doing this logical operation. RAM will decide how fast your system will work. So these are called computational components in your laptop. Now, what is storage then, guys? In your laptop, guys, what is storage?
Storage is nothing but is data. I mean,
Hard disk. Hard disk. Easy example give. Storage is hard disk. Now, what is a network? Then the third thing is
network.
Network. Today, you and me are connected through a network or not, guys? Tell me. Any connection between two people today is through network or not? Tell me. Right? Now,
Yeah.
guys, compute, storage, network. All these 3 comprise of called as AWS infrastructure, guys. AWS infra, compute, storage, network, all three together are called as AWS infra. And above these, we are deploying the services, guys, of AWS. You say EC2 service, you say RDS service, you say S3 service, n number of service we are deploying over this infrastructure, compute, storage, network. Clear, guys? Now you will tell me why we want cloud, guys, or what is cloud computing. Anyone knows why we want cloud? Tell me. Tell me, guys.
I mean, cloud means nothing but computing calculate. Like storage, whatever data we got from, if any file will be run. I think, I don't know exactly.
Because we are seeing it anytime and anywhere, sir. We are accessing the anytime and anywhere.
Okay. Now, you tell me, suppose you have compute storage network, right? Now, your company says you have to develop one X client is there for your company. You have to develop, guys, one e-commerce application, right? Now they pay you 4 lakh rupees and 2 months is a bond, guys. Okay. For this, you will buy compute, CPU, RAM, you will buy storage, hard disk, you will buy network routers and switches or not. Tell me, guys. Suppose your company infrastructure cost comes out to 1 crore. Right now, you are under on-premise, not under cloud. Okay. Now, to manage this compute storage network, you need developer, testers, HR team, operation team. So suppose this cost comes out to be operations cost comes out to be 20 lakhs. Okay, guys. Now, if after 1 month your client says, I'm not happy with the application, your 4 lakh though is gone, but your 1 crore is a burden or you or not? Tell me, guys. Tell me. Because your client is saying, I'm not happy with the application. So this cost is also, infra cost is also a burden or not? Tell me. Now, bringing the same scenario, X client, e-commerce application, 4 lakh rupees, 2 months. You will take everything from cloud now, from cloud, AWS, on the form of rent. This is like an electricity bill. What you consume, you will get for it. This model is called as, guys, pay as you go model. Whatever you want to consume, you will get. Suppose I signed a bond of 2 lakhs with client AWS and 4 lakh I'm getting from client. So out of this 2 lakh is my profit. So there, if client says I'm not happy with your application, so your only 4 lakh rupees will be gone. But there your how much loss was gone? 1 crore. Can you see the cost in cloud and on-premise? That's why companies are moving towards cloud these days, guys. Clear or not? Because the major factor is cost. You will take each and every service from the cloud on the basis of rent model, guys. Clear or not? That model is called as pay as you go model. I hope I'm clear on this point. Any doubts, guys? So major reason moving towards cloud is cost. Why? Because you are taking everything on the rent basis now from AWS, right? You are not buying anything. You don't have to manage everything on your own. You are just buying on the rent basis. Clear or not, guys? Now, let me share my whiteboard again, slides again to you guys. Okay. Now see, I have told you this 2002 till 2002, guys, we all were under on-premise. After 2002, AWS was launched, cloud came in picture, and with the increasing years, guys, all the services started coming up. We'll be working on each and every service of Amazon in this 1.5 month of our course. Okay, we'll be working on Amazon EC2. We'll be working on relational database. We'll see how to create VMs, how to create S3 bucket storage. We'll see networking in VPC. We'll see public subnets, private segment networking. Everything will be covered. We'll be seeing DNS Route 53, load balancer. So all the depth services will be covered. We'll share a complete syllabus with you. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now, I have told you guys, compute networking storage is called as AWS infrastructure. Clear? Above that, we'll deploy our applications. Characteristics of cloud. Can anyone read the characteristic of the cloud, guys? Vikas, anyone? Guys, speak up. Bolo guys. See, what are the characteristics of cloud? On-demand self-service. So whatever you demand from cloud, cloud will provide you. Whatever you demand, cloud will provide you. Broad network, I've told you an example of Google Drive, guys. Suppose you are sitting in Canada, somebody sitting in India, somebody sitting in US. Everyone can access your URL, guys. Measured service, I've told you, it's like an electricity bill. Whatever you consume, you will get a charge bill for it. That's all. That is called as pay as you go model, guys, in AWS. If any interviews they ask you, you should tell the cloud characteristics. Clear or not? Now, guys, we'll see service models, all the service models, what are IaaS, what are PaaS, what is SaaS, what is all these three models we'll see. We'll see the deployment models also, public, private, and hybrid deployment model. But let me tell you first how we'll be going towards the trainings, guys. See, guys, let me open my Chrome first and let me tell you how to we'll be doing the labs. Guys, I will open my AWS management console. Can you see my screen, guys? Everyone? Here we'll be performing all the labs, guys. First of all, see the labs part. Theory will covered in the first session when we start the session. Go to EC2. We'll see how many services. Can you see there are so many services we'll be working on Amazon. Okay, guys? See, compute service will work. We'll work on storage service. We'll work on database service. We'll work on migration. We'll work on EC2 console, how to create VMs machine. What are Internet of Things? We'll work on each and every service. Don't worry, in solution architect, we'll cover all these services. We'll see how to create EC2. I'll give you one easy example today, guys. How to create a Linux machine. We'll just see how to create one instances. So this is how my labs will do. We'll do everything in depth. Don't worry. We'll see. Suppose I want to create one Linux instance, guys. In on-premise, it used to take 1 hour, but in AWS, it takes only 1 minute. Can you see? Just we are creating one Linux image now. Just come to next, next, next. I will explain you each and everything later. Just you see for today and see. Your Linux machine is created within a minute. Can you see? Your instance is created. All these things will do in depth, guys.
Even I've done this before. And I've even made the LinkedIn for this.
Please mute yourself, guys. So we'll see how to do labs. For this, we will use MobaXterm to create our instances of Linux machines. Then my classes, everything all on the PPT based, guys. You can see all the PPTs I have formed. For everything, you will get CVs also. I will share quizzes also with you guys. I have prepared CV samples also for you guys, so that you will be working on my CV. I will share exam CVs also. So here is the software we'll be doing all the labs. MobaXterm will be using. I have created CV of Cloud DevOps also, so that I will share with you guys. Okay, and everything I have made for you guys. Don't worry. In depth, I will cover every Linux also. We'll cover in this course, guys. Okay, we'll be covering Linux also. Please mute yourself. Who is on unmute, guys? Please mute yourself. We'll be working on the Linux introduction also. What is Linux? In this course, I will cover your Linux also. All the commands. We'll work on this Linux. Why Linux? We'll be working majorly on Linux part also. So everything, don't worry, we'll work on shell scripting. So today's a demo. I just want to tell you what all we'll be covering. Then we'll go to theory DevOps. See, your instance is created. Now you just copy the public IP. You have to install MobaXterm. I will tell you how to install. Just paste your public IP. Specify your username as EC2-user. Advanced, you have to just upload your private key here. What is the private key which we have downloaded is LB demo. Just a moment, guys. and just see this LB demo. Where is LB demo? Where is LB demo 1? This is the one which we have downloaded. And see, your instance is created within a 1 minute. You don't need any VirtualBox, Vagrant, VMware now. In only 1 minute, your Linux instances are created. I will give in depth Linux training also in this course. See, your instance is created. Now you can do anything. CD, route, ls. You can run any command, guys. Fine or not, guys? Tell me. Right? So this is how my trainings will go on. Any doubts till now, guys? We'll start in the next class. When we start with a session, we'll start what is infrastructure as a service, what is platform as a service. Then we'll go to the deployment model. I will tell you what is a global infrastructure of AWS. Then we'll start with each and every service. Here are the folders of my services. We'll start with EC2, EBS, S3, Route 53. Everything in every service we'll see of this AWS solution architect course. Now, guys, I want to ask any doubts from you guys. What are your expectations? What you are looking for, basically, guys? This is what I am trying to share with you. Classes will be in weekdays. Every day, 1 hour class will be there. Either it would be thrice a week or 5 days a week. We'll let you know. But classes will be in weekdays. If you want weekends, you can tell me weekends also. Okay, I'll keep your classes on weekends also. If somebody wants weekdays, fine. If somebody wants on weekends, I'll keep on weekends. Weekdays, guys, I am planning your class Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Fine or not? Otherwise, if you want Saturday and Sunday, we can keep your class between 7 to 8 p.m. 7 to 8:30. No, 8 is 9 to there, no? So we'll keep your class from 6:30 to 8 p.m. on weekdays. On Saturday, Sunday, you guys decide what time suits you. Either Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday 8 to 9, or either Saturday, Sunday 6:30 to 8. Okay. Now, anyone has any doubts, please ask me. I'm there to guide you guys. We'll be preparing you for interviews. I'll be preparing for resume. I will share 10 to 11 samples of resumes also. Linux will be covered. Solution architect, AWS, every service will be covered for you guys with labs. Don't worry. Guys, ask me doubts. Guys, please speak up. Are you there or not, guys? If I am speaking only. Shakir,
Yeah,
Ashok,
yes.
why are you not speaking,
Yeah,
guys?
Krishna.
You are there
Hello.
to clear your doubts only, right? So you can please speak up.
Okay, Krishna, I mean, what was the course duration? Like,
Course duration will be around here 5 to 6 weeks. 5 to 6 weeks will over it. Okay.
Okay. Because I am non-IT background.
Don't worry.
Student.
This course is for non-IT as well as for IT as well. Don't worry. I will cover everything from the scratch.
Okay.
Don't worry at all. I will be covering AWS also in this cloud. I will be covering Linux also. Don't worry at all.
Because I don't have any idea. I'm zero knowledge.
You don't require any idea. You are with me. I will cover every idea for you. Don't worry at all.
Okay.
I'll help you in interviews and job preparation, in mock interviews, everything I will give you. Don't worry.
Okay. Let's see.
Come up, guys.
Only your no, only your, I mean, you're teaching only AWS.
No, I'm teaching DevOps also. I'm cloud and DevOps. DevOps is the second course. First, we'll complete cloud. Then DevOps is the second course. There we'll be covering Jenkins, Git, Docker, Kubernetes. But first, you focus on AWS only, cloud only.
Okay. And what was the, I mean, what was the price like?
Price and everything, you please speak to Ratna. I'm the trainer. I'm the trainer. Speak to Ratna or Akash.
Yeah. Okay.
But classes will start from this Tuesday. This Tuesday, we are starting the batch.
Okay.
Tuesday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay.
Guys, speak up. You are here to clear your doubts. I'm giving you 20 minutes now. Please, guys. Selva, Vikas, Renu, Ashok, Vishwanath. Please speak up, guys. Guys, come on. Please ask your doubts here.
డౌట్లు ఏమన్నా ఉంటే కదరా నువ్వు ఇరగ తీసేవరా మచ్చా.
Huh? Tell me, guys. Guys, you're not asking any doubts. See, if someone is facing any doubts, you can call me also. If you feel that I want to call first Krishna, you can call me also 8595014799, or you can call Ratna to ask any doubts. You can call Ratna also. Call Ratna. If you have any personal doubts, you can call me. Okay. Ratna will create one group today on WhatsApp. She will add you all there. You can ask your queries. We are starting with the class Tuesday. Ratna, are you there? Ratna, Akash, I will tell Ratna to add all of you in this group. Okay. Ratna will be adding you all and you can ask your doubts. And from Tuesday, we are starting this batch, guys. Clear or not? Tuesday, 8 p.m. IST. Fine, guys? Fine?
Yes, clear.
And
Fine,
every doubts, don't worry, you can ask me as many as doubt. On group also on WhatsApp, you can ping me anytime tomorrow. Today, Ratna will create one group, okay?
Okay,
Okay, guys?
okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll meet on Tuesday, 8 p.m. I hope all the best to you. Welcome to the cloud journey. I'm telling you, it is the requirement. You go for any job interview, cloud is the requirement, guys, these days. If you are not cloud expert, nobody will take you. I'm telling you. Okay, chalo, guys. All the best. Do contact me anytime for any issues. Fine.
Thank you,
Take care,
sir.
guys. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Be safe, guys.
Thank you.